Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the theme language in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. Changing your Shopify theme language is useful if you are targeting customers from different countries or expanding your store into a new market. Having your store available in the customer's preferred language can improve trust, make navigation easier, and create a better shopping experience. With that, let's get started. First, look at the very bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Settings gear icon. From the left sidebar menu inside the Settings window, select Languages under the Main Languages block. This section allows you to manage the languages available for your Shopify store, including the language customers see when they browse your storefront and complete their checkout. Find your current default language row. Click on the three dots button next to the Adapt button. A small menu will pop up. From these options, select Change Default. A modal window titled Change Default Language will appear. Click on the Language drop-down menu and select your new language from the list, like Spanish, French, or German. When choosing a new language, make sure it matches your target audience and the markets where you plan to sell. For example, if you are selling products in France, selecting French can help customers understand your product pages, checkout process, and store information more easily. Notice that making this change will automatically update both your checkout and system text, as well as your active theme and theme library layouts. This means important areas of your store, such as buttons, checkout messages, and default theme content, will adjust according to the selected language settings. Once you have selected your language, simply click the Save button in the bottom right corner, and your entire storefront text will instantly update. After making the change, it is always a good idea to preview your store and check important pages like your homepage, product pages, cart page, and checkout to make sure everything appears correctly. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to change the theme language in Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides.